Starting your credit card journey can feel a bit tricky, right? You want a card that's easy to use, helps build your credit, and maybe even gives you some rewards along the way. Whether you're just turning 18, new to credit, or want to get smarter with your money, this guide will help you find a card that fits your needs. Let's start with what makes a good beginner credit card. You want low fees, simple rules, and a chance to build your credit score with responsible use. Also, having some perks like cashback or points for shopping is a nice bonus, but not the main goal. The idea is to learn how credit works while avoiding common mistakes. One of the top picks for new credit card users is a card with no annual fee. Why? Because when you're just starting out, you don't want to pay extra just to have the card. Look for cards that have no yearly cost and low or no fees for late payments or going over your limit. This way, you can practice managing credit without worrying about extra charges. Next, check if the card reports to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is key because building credit means showing lenders that you use credit responsibly over time. If your card doesn't report your activity, your good habits won't help your credit score grow. So, pick a card that shares your payment info with these agencies. Some cards also offer tools to help you track your spending and set alerts. These can be very helpful for beginners who want to stay on top of their budget and avoid surprises. A simple app or online dashboard can remind you when a payment is due or if you're close to your credit limit. Now, let's talk about rewards. While rewards are not the main focus when starting out, getting some cash back on everyday purchases like groceries or gas can be nice. A card that gives 1% to 2% cash back on all purchases is easy to understand and useful. Avoid complicated point systems or cards that require you to spend a lot before earning rewards. Another important feature to look for is a low interest rate. If you plan to pay your balance in full each month, this matters less. But if you think you might carry a balance sometimes, a lower interest rate means you pay less in fees. Some beginner cards offer interest rates that are lower than average, which can save money over time. Some banks offer secured credit cards for beginners. These cards require a deposit as a guarantee, which becomes your credit limit. Secured cards are great if you have no credit history or a low score because they give you a chance to build credit safely. Just treat the card like any other and pay your bills on time. If you want to grow your credit and have a steady income, some cards offer credit line increases after a few months of good use. This helps your credit score because it lowers your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you use compared to your total limit.